What's up, fam? It's October 20th, 2022, and it's day 20 of The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind. And if it's your first time tuning in, what I'm doing here is I'm actually choosing a card a day. These cards are from T Harv Ekers' Millionaire Mind Intensive. And each card has a message. And I'm reading that message, I'm sharing my thoughts on the message, and asking you as a viewer to share your thoughts. Possibly when I was reading it, something came up for you. Maybe you've been using what's on this message and it's working wonders. And hey, I would love to know how you're doing it, how it's working out for you. And so just comment. And if you missed a day, you go back and watch the replays either on Facebook, YouTube, or on Instagram, all right? So we're going to get right to it. Let's see, which one should we go with? We're going to go with you. Get support. Or create a team. Get support or create a team. Don't try to do it on your own. Find a good financial planner who can help you track and build your net worth by organizing your finances and introducing you to a variety of vehicles for saving and growing your money. Wow, this is actually pretty powerful. So get support or create a team. What was it? I don't know why I went blank, but I was thinking of, yeah, I heard something not too long ago. Well, no, it's actually a long time ago. But I was thinking about it not too long ago where I don't know who it was, but it said you need three key people in your life: a good doctor, a good lawyer, and a good tax accountant, right? Or a good financial planner, as it's saying here. But this is key because how many of us are going through life not really knowing much about our finances. We're just working day in, day out, getting a paycheck, paying the bills, possibly experiencing a little bit of fun throughout life, maybe a little bit of investments, but there's no actual plan. And not only that, here it says, get them so they could introduce us to a variety of vehicles for saving and growing our money. How many of us are actually growing our money in different vehicles, right? In different opportunities that are out there. And here's the thing, if we don't know, then we have to, it's our duty to go out and search for this information, because there's people out there that are doing this stuff, and that's one thing that they do. They get support, they find the right people, and then they create a team around it. And anytime something comes up, that has to do with an investment, that has to do with probably a financial opportunity, then they go to that person. Why? Because they're the experts. And we've been talking about this throughout this series, where it says, hey, become valuable and become an expert. So in here, we have to, as we're becoming experts in whatever we want to become in, whatever industry or field we want to be in, we have to find those key people that will help us in our journey as well. Here meaning, a good financial planner. Sometimes they come as tax accountants. Sometimes they're bundled: tax accountant, lawyer, business owner, and financial planner. They're sometimes bundled in one person, or you could just find the variety. As I mentioned, that I don't know where I heard it, but it was a good doctor, a good lawyer, and a good tax accountant. But these are people that would be on our team, right? And so so it says, don't try to do it on your own, because we don't know what we don't know. And sometimes we let, not enough resources, meaning we don't have the money to pay somebody, for their advice, or we think they'll charge us too much. But guess what? As you mentioned the opportunities, rich people, think about the rewards. So if you were to pay someone $1,000 for, let's say, if it's 1 hour consultation, but they were to help you find a vehicle that $1,000 will multiply your money 10 times, 20 times, 30 times in the years to come. That's 30x on your $1,000 investment. See, we would look at it as a loss, like, oh no, they charge too much money, as poor people, but rich people look at it as a gain or as a reward long term, because they're going to learn something they never learned and possibly will never learn unless they get this expert advice. So this is actually a really powerful card. And we could also look at this beyond the finances, right? Get a team. Don't try to do it on your own, or get support. We need a team of individuals that'll help us grow and elevate in our life. From relationships to health to finances to environments to contribution, everything, right? So let's close this out. Let's read it out again. Get support or create a team. Get support or create a team. Don't try to do it on your own. Find a good financial planner who can help you track and build your net worth by organizing your finances and introducing you to a variety of vehicles for saving and growing your money. Hey, I know some of you out there, possibly have someone that's a financial planner. Maybe you're a financial planner. Comment, let me know what it is that, how you're building, what it is that you did to create your team. I would love to know and learn. This is something that I need help with as well. Or if something came up in that process, let me know as well. All right. Let's make this collectively in a collective learning environment, and let's keep on moving forward, baby. So God bless. This is the end. Well, not the end of everything. We still got more cards, but this is the end of this video. Love you. God bless, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. See ya.